Alright, I'm over here in Coweta, Oklahoma, looking at another house. This is another weird one. I'm guessing this was built like in the 60s. And it's a weird hodgepodge of crap. I think I'm going to pass on this one. It's not really a lot of property. And all the stuff back here really just needs to be taken out and thrown away because this is all garbage. I think they did they ran like an upholstery type shop out of here, and it's kind of a weird thing because this is like an addition, an old addition, and this used to be the original garage here that they boarded off the upholstery shop. And then they put all this like rebar lattice work around. This was that kind of back corner area. And yeah, here's the foam enthusiast area. The one kind of cool thing they have back here is they have like a safe room type deal, which, you know, I thought that was kind of cool. But same kind of deal. It's technically a lot of square footage, but oh, that old phone book.